Hi there, kindergartners. Hope everything is going well today. Today I am going to do a video about number talks and about looking at a 10 frame and being able to subitize how many are in that 10 frame with a quick image. I'm going to show it to you quickly and you have to see if you can remember in your mind what did you see. I also hope that you are sitting next to somebody who you can turn and talk to and tell them what you saw. And if you are the person sitting next to the kindergartner, allow them to do it first, and then it can be your turn, and they can share what they saw with you, or you can share what you saw with them. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to flip this paper over in just a second, and then it's going to be really quick. And I want you to see, turn and talk to your partner how many you saw. Keep it in your brain. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and I want you to turn and talk to your neighbor who you got to work with, and I want them to tell you to tell them how many nuts did you see and how do you know that's what were there. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to show you what was there in case you forgot. There were 5 nuts there. And I'm hoping that you knew that because the top row of that 10 frame was all the way filled up. And you remember that if that whole row is all filled up, then you have 5. So if that's what you saw, good job. All right, I'm going to move to the next one. Okay, again, I'm going to show you just a quick image, and I want you to look at it, then pause the video and turn and talk to your neighbor, and the kindergartner gets to go first. And tell them what you saw, how many, and how did you know that? Then it can be the other person's turn. Okay, here we go. Okay, turn and talk to your partner and tell them how many you saw and how you knew that. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, hope that you guys had a great discussion. I'll show you to again. What I see is there are 2 over here and 2 over here, and I know that 2 and 2 is 4. If I don't remember that 2 and 2 is 4, I can subitize 2, and then I can count on 3, 4. Good job. Okay, let's move to the next one. Getting a little tougher. Okay, I'm going to show it to you quick. Pause the video, turn and talk to your partner, and tell them what you saw and how many nuts are there all together. Here we go. Okay. Pause the video and turn and talk to your neighbor about what you saw and how many are all together. Okay, welcome back. I'll show you what was there. I see that there are 4 nuts here and 2 nuts over here. So when I subitize and count, I can go 4, 5, 6. And that's how I know that there were 6 there. Okay, here's the challenge one. It's all the way at the end. I'm going to show it to you. It's a little bit tougher than the rest. Here we go. Okay. Pause the video, turn and talk to your partner about what you saw and how you know how many are there. Okay, welcome back. Let's look at what we have. This was a quick one. Okay, oopsie. So what I see, and hopefully this is what you saw too, you can see that the top 10 frame was all the way filled, and so you can subitize in your head right away that there's 10. Then if you look down at the bottom 10 frame, you can also subitize that there's 3. There's 2, count one more, 3, 10, and 3. How many all together? Let's try it out. Let's count on if you're not sure. Remember 10 on top, and let's count on 11, 12, 13. Good job, kindergarten. If you would like to, the last couple that we had used in different parts, we had the 4 over and the 2, and the 2 and the 2. Those would be great number sentences for addition that you could write out. If you'd like to try these at home, I have emailed your parents a copy of the double 10 frame. If you don't have the one, it's very easy. You make a rectangle, remember tabletop, legs, and connect, and then you make the lines in between. And maybe a parent or an older brother or sister could help you make one just on paper, and you could do it that way. And then maybe they could fill in the nuts in the 10 frames, and you could write the number sentence from there. If you have any questions, shoot me a message.